Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on closed captions and SDH on the iPhone and what it does. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone, like literally every iPhone that you can get. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit and go to the accessibility. Once you are here, you want to swipe down and go to the subtitles and captioning. And here you have the option to turn on closed captions plus SDH. So what it does, when available, you're going to get the closed captioning or subtitles for the deaf and hard of hearing people. So in the most cases, when the closed captions and the captioning or subtitles are going to be available, they are going to be displayed on the lower part of your screen, or in a video, you know how it works. So if you turn this feature on, every time when this is available, it is going to be displayed. So again, how to get to those settings. Open settings, swipe down, go to accessibility, click, swipe down, go to subtitles and captioning, and here you're going to find this option. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!